And today we are cooking almost in the mid of the forest with two of my friends, Sipujan and Hers. So this is our portable gas stove, and see how dense the forest is. You cannot feel and you cannot see any movement here. You cannot find any people here except us, but here you can find lots of wild animals. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am in the mid of the forest, and today I am going to cook some food here in the mid of the forest, and I am going to cook for the first time. So let's take a look and just tell me how is our first cooking vlog in the forest. So guys, here we have preparing to cook our meal. And as you can see, the water starts boiling, and now we are going to put Maggie in this. And this is so peaceful to cook food here. See, this is the first ever experience. I am cooking in the forest with my friends. Our Maggie is almost ready, and we will eat it after 2 to 3 minutes because we put so much water in the Maggie, so it's difficult for us to eat. And here we have bring some snacks like banana. So first we will eat this, and then we will eat Maggie. We have also brought water because here in the forest we cannot find water anywhere, and it will be difficult for us if we feel thirsty. We cannot move anywhere, and after eating the food, we will explore the forest areas which is behind this wall. And we are also standing in the mid of the forest, but for some point you can say that this is the safest place for us, because in the forest you should not stay in a place for a too long time, because the wild animals get a sense that some human beings are there, so they can attack on you. So we choose this place, and after cooking from here we will move towards the different direction, and we will explore the forest. So now we are putting Maggie in our plate, and it looks delicious. My mouth gets watery.
It's too delicious.
So guys, we have packed everything, and now we are moving in the forest, and here we have left two bananas for the birds. If they get hungry, they will come and they will eat this banana. They are very sweet, and they are very ripe. That's why I put it there. And now we are moving ahead, and now I think I should take this stick. So let's go. We have arrived in the middle of the forest, and here we get to see some blue bulls. Let me show you. So guys, this is the blue bull, and see, I think there are two. One is coming from that side. See, and he's staring at me. Let's see what's happen next. They both are staring at me. I think I should just go a little closer to them, but he started running. See, I think he got scared of me. So they both are running. Blue bull also ran away after seeing us. He almost stared us for I think 2 to 3 minutes. Then he moved in different direction, because the wild animals also get scared of us. And now we are looking for some dangerous wild animals like leopards, like me. Yeah. So we are moving in this forest from this direction, and here you can see there are many trees in our way, so we have to just remove it, and then we will enter in this forest. I see I have arrived here, and I'm trying to find some wild animals. but here is so much peace. And see, two of my wild animals are coming. Aja. And we are planning to move a little deeper inside the forest. And from here the sky looks so blue, and there is no any sign of pollution from here. Here I can feel only fresh air in my nose. Aja Hars. Guys, it has almost 45 minutes and I could not find any other wild animals except those blue bulls. So now I am planning to go to show you guys the haunted house where they are also located in this forest, and nobody lives in that house. So let's come with us. I will try to show you the haunted house. And it's so difficult for me to walk through these kind of forest because see, they are almost touching the ground surface, so I have to walk while bending. And now from here I will take an exit. Now I have to walk from this. So now I am moving to explore those haunted houses. I am just going to show these two because they have not explored that house.
Next time we'll have Maggie.
Yeah.
Okay.
And here we have arrived at my favorite spot. Here I used to sit. So I am going to show them, these guys, the most haunted house in this forest, and nobody lives here in these houses, and I just want to scare them. So let's come with me. It will be so much fun. So from here we are going to enter in the house. So guys, here you can see only darkness all around. You cannot find a single person here. See, there was a time here lots of people used to live, but right now it's all abandoned and it's so scary. And I am going to take the stairs for going on the roof of this building. And now we are going ahead. So here I have arrived on the first floor, but we have to go on the top. So from here we are going on the top of this building. So guys, I have come down because there are some people on the roof and they are celebrating their birthday, so I didn't disturb them. And now we have come down. Now from here we will exit this house, and let's go from this side. This is the well I already showed you guys in my previous vlogs. So finally I get to see them, and you guys have already familiar with this house because in yesterday's vlog I showed this portion in my haunted series. And I was planning to go on the top of the roof yesterday, but today we have these two guys, so let's go. Finally we have arrived on the top of this building, and see, we take this stairs. I just want to explore this area from so long, and finally I get to walk on the top of this building, and see, there are only leaves, branches all over there, and from here it looks so good. So interesting and so much fun, and I'm also feeling so much thrilling to be here and just feel the vibe. I always wanted to visit this place once, and finally I get a chance. So I came on the top of this building. Let's move towards that side, but first of all see how he is coming.
वो दोबारा चल।
हाँ हाँ
छत हिल रही है। और भाई मेरे भाई दो मैं तो उतर रहा हूँ।
and he is feeling so much scared to walk through these small
तो वॉक कर लूँ, तेरी छत हिल रही है।
आजा come आजा so let's see from here I will go down by holding these branches and he is still at the same point. And here I get to see some people who are collecting woods so that they can cook the food. But I'm not going to that side because in previous vlog I have showed you guys that this is the portion which is very weak. The plaster has fallen off, so I will try to just explore this side. He feeling so much scared because he don't know how to come down from this building, so he's sitting there. And now we are going home, and in the next vlog I will try to cook on the top of this building. So I'm just giving you guys a clue like what I'm going to make in my next vlog. Just feel the nature, how beautiful and how calm this is. I have already showed this house, so on the top we will cook the food, and in next vlog I will show you guys that house, and I will also cook in the same house. So it's my upcoming videos, I am giving you guys some hint. Fun, those
Yes.
people are
Here is so much fun.